Hey guys, it's me Olivia Sanchez, and today we're gonna be making slime. And I have my slime that I made that I'm gonna be showing you guys so that we're gonna make today. It's a pink, but anyways, you guys could use any color you want. I did pink for mine, sorry. And yeah, so let's get to it. First of all, I just need to show you guys that I am actually having a shop. And I'll read the rules later. And yeah. And then I have like a lot of lists of what's it called? This.
What time is my mom's graduation?
All this. What happened?
What time does my mom's graduation party start?
At 9 in the night, I think. Sorry guys, I was just talking to my sister. So yeah, that's the book that I have. All those slimes are in my room, and some of them are in here. I'll give you a sneak peek. That's green, blue. So that's for now I'm going to give you, but I have more. We're going to be making a slime like this that's fluffy. So like, I love the color though. So I first need to take out all this slime that it has in here because I made two kinds of slimes by myself. Oh my god. Alright. I tried to get all of it and it did, and this is the slime it had. Oh. Wow, it's so sticky. Let me put it in a place. Alright, so there you go. That's my dog right there. What? Okay, so that was my dog right there. His name is Lucky. So let's get right into the video. I've been taking so long. So the tools you'll be needing. Shaving cream. Mixing tool with the bowl. Glue. Glue. And some coloring. And some tack. So let's get to the video. Gonna add my glue. So add your glue in. I'm just gonna make a little bit, guys, not a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a tiny bit. This is how the tiny bit is. I just spread it out everywhere. So that's just it spreading me. Now I'm gonna have to add some whipped cream. Whipped cream. Oh my god, I need to show you guys this. Woo, I'm tired. No way! Oh my god, guys, look at all this! No way! I'm like, Okay, so next you're gonna mix, or you know what? No. Add your color. And for me, if you guys want to make a light pink like this, all you have to do is just add a tiny bit. I'm going to show you how. You add only like this much. I know you guys think it's little, but it's how you make it slime. Okay, so it's already making the color and it's already being that color. I think we need to add a little more because it's not even a color yet. Okay, that should be too much. Guys, that's too much. You know what? No, we're fine. Color. Yeah, we're fine. Thought I was like, that's so you want to mix. This is how you get your color. Okay, guys? 3, 2, 1. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. That should be a color. If you're making pink slime. So yeah. Now you're going to add some Tide. I know mine is Tide. My Tide is so messy. So now pour some into your bowl. I know you guys might think that it might change the color, but it's not. I already tried it. So like spread it, spread it, spread it. Oh my god. Alright, now I'm going to keep on mixing. Oh my god. Okay. Guys, it looks like I barely woke up, but I actually didn't. So I've been awake for like 4 hours already. Oh my god. Why is it so rippy? Just go like that and look. It's not too rippy anymore. Turns out good when you do that, what I just did. So it turned better. It looks like I never even had any shaving cream. It feels like that. It's not even too stretchy. But imagine this color. Look at this color. And this color. Hold on. This color and move the camera. And imagine this color. See. This one's stretchy. Stretchy. You know what? They're both the same. So look what I'm going to do. 3, 2, 1. Both together. This is a fat slime now. Super fat. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys did the directions. What I told you guys did. And if you guys didn't, I hope it still made slime. Bye. Oh, wait. Before the buys, we have to read our list. All right. So, I'm going to read it. All kinds of slimes. Check the book out. As you can see the list of slimes. Read the slimes I have checked and check the price. Sorry. You can pick a slime, and if you have money, then you could buy a slime for the cost of it. And you are all free to look in the slime book. unless you sign in. Reminder. Your reminder is that I am also not gonna be selling glass bowls. I've heard in the news what happens. I'll tell you later. But I am gonna be doing extras when you order in the mail, and I'm gonna be giving away free slimes. The end. Now that you have looked at the list, you may order or buy from here. Thanks for shopping at Olivia Slime's shop. So I'm gonna review all the slimes. Red clay $2, peach clay $2, sand slime $4, green putty $3, blue slime glitter $2, super jiggly slime $5, black butter slime $10, black clay $4, apple squishy jumbo $12, lemon squishy jumbo $12, rainbow slime $5, cloud slime $7, cupcake slime $10, fluffy slime $4, regular slime $3. So more are coming in the mail. I cannot wait. Slime shop. So that was, I just hit myself in my back. Now I have a pain. Okay. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed making this kind of slime. And yeah, bye.